But let's do one thing. Let's get you some more trading ideas in our segment Super 6, and then we'll come back and chat about the markets.
My first pick is Arvind Limited. It has managed to cross an all-time high of 325 levels on closing basis with good volumes. Momentum is entered into bullish zone. Hence, I recommend a buy with a stop of 325 for targets of 345.
The first stock today for buy is going to be GlaxoSmithKline Consumer. This stock has formed a very important low around 5,800 and was consolidating in that zone for quite some time. After giving a breakout above 6,000, we can see a very good run up on upside. One should use a stop loss of 6,500 and ride the trend for the target levels of 7,100 on upside.
Our first recommendation would be to buy Titan for a target of 375, stop loss 360. Recent correction from the levels of 390 precisely halted around its daily 89 EMA level of 352. Looking at yesterday's price action, it appears that the stock is on the verge of giving a breakout on the hourly chart beyond its resistance zone of 362. Thus, we expect this move to extend toward 375 over the next few sessions.
My second pick is SKS Micro. It has closed above an important resistance of 490 on closing basis. Momentum has entered into bullish zone. Volumes have been high in the last couple of trading sessions. Hence, I recommend a buy with a stop of 480 for targets of 520.
The next stock is going to be sell on NMDC. This stock is moving in a downward sloping channel, and it looks like it's forming a complex correction, and it is currently starting wave C on downside, which can move towards the level of 85. The trading strategy should be that one can sell NMDC with a stop loss of 91.50, and the target can be expected at 85 levels on downside.
Our second recommendation would be to short Godrej for a target of 372. Stop loss can be fixed at 390. Recently, we witnessed a V-shaped recovery in Godrej from the levels of 350. Looking at daily chart structure, it appears that yesterday's candle can be now called as a dark cloud cover. Looking at this pattern and the hourly chart structure, we expect this stock to slide towards 372 over the next few sessions.
All right, so that's a bunch of trading ideas to work with. Mr. Tulsian, you have one